Hello everyone. I completed a latest project using JS and PostgreSQL database. Let me show you my project. And in this project, I have done for a sports scheduler. Firstly, I want to show the demo of the project, and after that, I will show my code. And here you can see I ran my code. This is my web page. Here we can see there is a two buttons: sign in and sign up and sign in. And let us go to the sign in page. In this sign in page, here we can see the two options: the player login and the admin login. Let us create an account for the both the login and admin and how it is useful. Here, the basically I have done a website for the sports scheduler where the person can uh, create a sport, delete a sport, or uh, join a new sport. Let me suppose take a name, Teza, and yeah, and the name is and the password is entered. After the submission, here we can see the successfully created the account. That is and log to the website. This is the player login, and after the login, here we can see where we can create the schedule, join anything we can do here. And let us create a match here. To create a match, you have some sports, right? The sports can be created by only by admin only. The admin gave an option to create these options only. You can create these options. Let us make a create a match. We can't enter the past dates. Let us suppose enter 14 and the start date is 10, 10 till 4 a.m. and 7:24. Okay. And let us suppose enter the venue, right? Venue is done. And the match name is final match. Number of players to this room, understanding. And let us suppose before going to we enter the past date. Okay, we have created a match, right? After they created a match, if you see, if you see the match here, I created a match on 10th, and the start time and end time is given. And let me join the match. And when I join the match, here we can see the join match here. Let us suppose I want to I want to create any match. If the date was entered the past date, like 28th, like 31st, it will show an error that you entered the past date and the start time and the end time also being a perfect. If it's not matched, it will display an error. Let me show a demo. Here we can see that the end time must be greater than the start time. And let's suppose the end time is changed. End time is changed to 5:26, and suppose I want to change to January 1st. If you see the date must be valid from the 19th. So this is the condition I gave here, and these are the matches, right? Before when I created the those match, there are total available slots are two, but now it's one because I joined this match, right? Again, I want to if the person want to join the same match, it will show an error that you have already joined the match. If the match is completed, suppose if here there is a 0 to 10, right? If the match is on Jan 31st, and when we try to join the match, it will show an error that the match is the past match, right? Okay, and if you want to delete them, you can see the deleted matches here, and if you want to delete the match, you are the created this match, right? Due to some reasons, if you want to delete the match, you can delete the match because uh, match is cancelled. Here we can see the match is cancelled now. Here we can see we can't see the match here because the match is aborted and, and it is updated here. And after completion of this, let us go to the admin page. Let us create an admin page for now. And here we can also update the forward password also. Let us create an account with the admin. To understand better, I created both admin create account also. And let me give me a name. Here we can see the account is created successfully. And let me log in. Here we can see the name is entered right. And we have seen the creator sport, the user, display all players, display matches, and multiple items deleted here. But we didn't see the schedule matches. And there is some of the advantage for the admin. The advantage are create sport. Here the admin has a choice to create. Only the admin can create sport before creating the sport. The system checks if the sport is already added or not. If the sport is already added, it shows that the sport is already added in this match. It selects the message. And if you want to create a soccer match, I can create it. Here we can see the match is created. And let us go to here. Let us go here. Here we can see the soccer is updated. And in the same way, here also we can create a match here. And the advantage of admin is admin can delete any match whoever created, either by user or admin, but the user can delete the match whatever he created only. This is the advantage of admin page. Here we can see here. Let me create. Let me show you the schedule matches. These are the schedule matches where we displayed here. Let me make another. Let me create a match. I gave the menu and I gave the match name and the number of players recorded as one only. Just I gave one only. Let me show here. Here we can see the match available slot one and the player record one. Let me join the match. Okay, I joined the match site. And if you see here, the match is full. Because I joined the match site, nobody can join now here. And if you see, the match is updated here. Based on the time order, it will display however the matches are present at the time. And these are the deleted matches up to now. And I already shown the site. And if you want to delete also, here also we can delete the matches here. And let me sign out. And I have updated like this, the navigation bar for the user interface. And let me sign out. I'm sign up, right? Let me show you another thing that I want to update the password. Here, this is whenever we give the first name, last name, and email, it will automatically update the password. Let me give the name Adi. I entered the wrong name, so it's shown another. Let me give another name. Uh, Let me show that this is my Postgres SQL, right? In this, I encrypted with the security. Let me show that I gave the name Adi, but I entered the Shankar, right? So it's shown another. Let's enter the name that Adi Shankar. Then we can see the password is updated. Here we can see also the password also changes here also. It's I use the big for that. And if anybody want to, let me show that. Now I shown the both for the player and the admin, right? And now I want to show another thing there. If I gave user right, here we can see the user out is there for the player, but when I try to log here, it's shown in the error. I made an authentication for that. If anybody want to enter directly into the website, and I also posted in the render website. This is my URL. I posted my GitHub before. I updated my code here and the sign in phase. You can directly check out here. Definitely here also comes. You can check out here. And let me show you my code. This is the main server app.js. This is the main code. This is the app.js code where I have used the express path, beat, body parser, all of these. And you can see here, if you want to run my code, you can just npm install whatever I posted in my GitHub. You can check out my code here, there. And this is my package.json. And I'm just now writing the testing also. It's also completes by a week. And these are the public files. They're the images, and these are the CSS files for the EJS files. Let me show my EJS files now. In the views, you can see these are the EJS files for create sport, match, date matches, delete match for the user and the admin pages. These all are present here. These are the conditions I applied for that. And these are the models where, let me show here. This is the PostgreSQL database. For that, I have created a Capstone Dev database where you can see in the config.json. In config.json, you can see this is the Capstone Dev for the development phase. For the testing phase, I gave the Capstone test. For the production, I use database URL. It is useful when you render the code into the website. And here we can see the name of the tables I created. Here we can see that names are admin 1, matches 2, and players 3, sessions 4, and the sports 5. I total created the 5 tables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and industrial dates is given by default. And for that, I have migrated. These are the migration files. Here we can see the output here, and that's it. And this is my code. And if you like the video, like and subscribe to my channel.